Say 3b, second bit, first question. Determine the range of the following expressions. Second bit, first question. First one, we need to find out the range. First one, x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1. So we need to find out the range of this expression. So this expression I am taking it as y. Y equal to x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1. So I want to find out the range of y, then automatically it is the range of the given expression. So cross multiplication, y of x square minus x plus 1 equal to x square plus x plus 1. So y x square, y into minus x minus yx, y into 1, y equal to x square plus x plus 1. So bringing these three terms left side, yx square minus yx plus y minus x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. So in this x square term, y minus 1 of x square, in this x term minus x common, y plus 1. Now constant y minus 1 equal to 0. Observe here x is the variable, y should be treated as some constant. So y minus 1 of x square minus x of y minus 1 plus y minus 1 equal to 0. So this expression in terms of variable x, this is which represent a quadratic expression. So I am taking a equal to y minus 1, b equal to minus of y plus 1, c equal to y minus 1. So for x is real, if x is real, when it is real, discriminant b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. So if this condition is satisfied, then only it is real. So according to this condition, minus of y plus 1 whole square minus 4 into y minus 1 of y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Square of negative positive, y plus 1 whole square, y square plus 1 plus 2y minus 4 of y minus 1 into y minus 1 equal to y minus 1 whole square, y square plus 1 minus 2y greater than or equal to 0. So y square plus 1 plus 2y minus 4 into y square minus 4y square minus 4 into 1 minus 4 minus 4 into 2 minus into minus plus 8y greater than or equal to 0. Now y square minus 4y square minus 3y square, 2y plus 8y plus 10y. Next 1 minus 4 minus 3. So it should be greater than or equal to 0. So I want to multiply with negative. If we are multiplying with negative, 3y square minus 10y minus of minus plus 3 less than or equal to 0. So this is the quadratic inequation. Okay, now I want to factorize. 3 into 3, 9. 3y square minus 9y minus y plus 3 less than or equal to 0. 3y common in these two terms. If we are taking 3y common, y minus 3 minus 1 common, y minus 3 less than or equal to 0. In these two terms, y minus 3 common. If we take y minus 3 common, 3y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So if we are taking values, y equal to 3, y equal to 1 by 3. So y minus 3, 3y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0, which is nothing but it should be lies between y belong to 1 by 3 comma 3. So therefore the expression lies between 1 by 3 comma 3. So this is the answer. Okay, next we will do second question. So second question, expression x plus 2 by 2x square plus 3x plus 6. So this is the expression. I want to find out the range of this expression. So let us consider this is equal to y. Similarly, x plus 2 by 2x square plus 3x plus 6. Cross multiplication, y of 2x square plus 3x plus 6 equal to x plus 2. Y into 2x square, 2yx square, y into 3x, 3yx plus 6y minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So converting into quadratic, here only x square term is single, 2y x square. In this 3yx, in this x, I am taking x common. If you are taking x common, 3y minus 1, 3y minus 1 plus 6y minus 2 equal to 0. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a equal to 2y, b equal to 3y minus 1, c equal to 6y minus 2. So this is a, b, c. So for x is real, b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac, b equal to 3y minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 2y into 6y minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So a minus b whole square formula, 3y whole square, 9y square, 1 square 1, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 3 minus 6y, minus 4 into 2 minus 8, minus 8 into 6 minus 48y square, minus 4 into 2 minus 8, minus 8 into 6 minus 48y square, minus 8 into minus 2 plus 16y greater than or equal to 0. Next 9y square minus 48y square minus 39y square minus 6y plus 16y plus 10y. Next plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. I want to multiply with a negative. If we are multiplying with a negative, 39y square minus 10y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. 39 into 1, 39. I want to factorize. So if we want to factorize, then 39 equal to 13 into 3, 13 minus 3 equal to 10. So 39 y square minus 13y plus 10y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So in this 13y common, if we are taking 13y, we are getting 3y minus 1. If we are taking 13y common, 3y minus 1. So actually 13y minus plus 3y. Minus 13y plus 3y equal to minus 10y. So plus nothing common, 1 we are taking, 3y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So now in this 3y minus 1 common, then 13y plus 1 less than or equal to 0. So if we are observing y values, y equal to in this 1 by 3, in this y equal to minus 1 by 13. So since it is less than or equal to 0, if it is less than or equal to 0, it should be lies between. So y belong to minus 1 by 13 to 1 by 3. So since it is equal, we should take closure symbol. Y lies between minus 1 by 13 to 1 by 3. Therefore, expression lies between minus 1 by 13 to 1 by 3. So this is the required answer. First bit, second bit, first question, third. X minus 1 of x plus 2 by x plus 3, we need to determine the range. Let us consider this is equal to y. Y equal to x minus 1 of x plus 2 by x plus 3. So I want to cross multiply y into y of x plus 3, y of x plus 3 equal to x into x, x square, x into 2, 2x, minus 1 into x, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Right side first I am writing x square, 2x minus x plus x minus 2. Y into x, yx bringing right side minus yx. 3 into y, 3y bringing right side minus 3y equal to 0. So x square. So in this I am taking x common. If we are taking x common, 1 minus y. So in this I am taking minus common, 2 plus 3y equal to 0. So compare this one with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A equal to 1, b equal to 1 minus y, c equal to minus of 2 plus 3y. So for x is real, b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. What is b? 1 minus y whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus of 2 plus 3y greater than or equal to 0. A minus b whole square formula, 1 square 1 y square minus 2ab 2y minus into minus plus 4 of 2 plus 3y greater than or equal to 0. Y square minus 2y plus 1. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 12y greater than or equal to 0. So, if we observe y square minus 2y plus 12y minus 10y, 1 plus 8, 9 greater than or equal to 0. So, factorization y square 9 equal to 9 into 1, 9 plus 1, 10 minus 9y minus y plus 9 greater than or equal to 0. Next, in the first two terms I am taking y common. If we are taking y common, we are getting y in this minus 9. So, in this minus 1 common, y minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. In these two terms I am taking y minus 9 common, then we are getting y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So, y minus 9 or y minus 1 equal to 0. Y minus 9 is 0 at y equal to 9. Y minus 1 equal to 0 at y equal to 1. So, since it is greater than or equal to 0, greater than or equal to 0, so this won't be lies between 1 comma 9. X does not lies between 1 comma 9. Next, fourth one. So, fourth is 2x square minus 6x plus 5 by x square minus 3x plus 2. So actually here the y values are 1 and 9. Y won't lie between 1 and 9. So y is nothing but expression does not lie between 1 and 9. So whatever it is given, I am taking it as y. Y equal to 2x square minus 6x plus 5 by x square minus 3x plus 2. So I want to find out the bounds for y, then automatically it is the bounds for expression. So cross multiplication, y of x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 2x square minus 6x plus 5. Y into x square, yx square, y into minus 3x minus 3yx, y into 2, 2y equal to 2x square minus 6x plus 5. So bringing outside yx square minus 3yx plus 2y minus 2x square plus 6x minus 5 equal to 0. So x square common, if we are taking x square common, y minus 2. In this y common, not only in this x common, not only x minus 3x common, y minus 2. Next, in this we are taking plus 2y minus 5 as it is. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c, a equal to y minus 2, b equal to minus 3 of y minus 2, c equal to 2y minus 5. So for x is real, b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0, minus 3 of y minus 2 whole square minus 4 into y minus 2, 2y minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. So square of negative positive, 3 square 9 of y minus 2 whole square. So y minus 2 whole square minus 4 of y minus 2 of 2y minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. In these two, I am taking y minus 2 common. If we are taking y minus 2 common, 9 of y minus 2, 9 remaining, y minus 2 also remaining, minus 4 of 2y minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. Y minus 2, 9 into y, 9y, 9 into minus 2, minus 18, minus 4 into 8y, minus 8y, minus 4 into minus 5, minus plus 20 greater than or equal to 0. Y minus 2, 9y minus 8y, y minus 18 plus 20 plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So y minus 2, y equal to, y plus 2, y equal to minus 2 greater than, does not lies between, y does not lies between minus 2 and 2. What is y? Expression does not lies between minus 2 comma 2. So this is